How to fix security policy prevents us of camera on Samsung phone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the problem of security policy prevents use of camera. Firstly, open settings on your device and scroll down. Now search for the option security and privacy and tap on it. Inside security and privacy, scroll down. Here you will see a section called privacy at the bottom. In this section you will see permissions. Tap on camera. Now disable any app that may restrict camera usage. You can do that by simply tapping on the app. After that, select the option don't allow. Another thing that you can do is to clear cache of the camera app. Go back to your home page and tap and hold on the camera app. Tap on the eye icon at the top. In your app info, scroll down and select storage. Now clear cache if any. Again, go to your settings. In settings, scroll down and search for the option digital well-being. Tap on digital well-being. Scroll down and you should see an option called parental control. Tap on the option parental controls. Now here also you need to ensure no restrictions are set for the camera. You can check that by following the on-screen prompts. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.